Hello everyone, welcome to part 165 of Laravel 10 series in which we're getting the e-commerce website. So in this video, we are going to generate the order invoice in PDF format. Okay, so we are going to install the DOM feed PDF package for our Laravel 10, and you will able to know that how to generate PDF in Laravel by these steps that we are going to take, so that you can generate the PDF not only for the order invoice but for anything. Okay, so let's start and see. We are working on orders module. From the last few videos we able to show the orders in the admin panel, we able to show the order details, we able to show the print invoice as well. Okay, you can see that we able to show this HTML invoice, and now we are going to show the PDF invoice. In fact, we are going to download the PDF invoice if the because the client or the admin requires the PDF invoice that he can ship along with the courier. Okay, along with the product. So first of all, we're going to add the icon here, PDF icon. Okay, so straight away I'm going to open the project. I'm going to open the my Sublime, and I'm going to open my project 10. Okay, so from here I'm going to open my project 10 that is located in XAMPP SD folder. So I'm going to first open that orders.blade.php file located at the admin, and here I'm going to add the link. Okay, PDF link I want to add, so I will just copy this earlier link and will paste it here, and that also within the condition of delivered. Okay, or delivered, shipped, or delivered. Okay, so whenever the order gets shipped, then the admin or client can able to generate the that invoice for that order. Okay, so here I will also mention print PDF order invoice instead of this one, print PDF order invoice. Here we can mention print HTML order invoice. Okay, so here I am going to make the print PDF order invoice. Okay, and everything else will remain the same, and I'm going to create the route in web.php file. So see where we have created that. I'm going to create this route straight away after this one, print order invoice. After print order invoice, I'm going to create the another route. Here it is. So after this one, I'm going to create the similar route, and that is for the print PDF order invoice. Print, here I'm going to mention print PDF order invoice, and here I'm going to mention print PDF order invoice. I'm going to create this function in OrderController in admin, and here also I'm going to copy this one and will paste it here as well. The function name is print PDF order invoice. So here we are going to get the order ID and order details. We are going to fetch the order details as well, but this one I'm going to remove, because as we are going to generate the PDF, we are not going to return to any page. So now I'm going to install the DOM PDF package, like I have explained you earlier, that this is the package that we are required to install for our Laravel e-commerce website, DOM PDF. Okay, so we are going to search and will open its GitHub as well. Okay, so we can open, and here you can see that we can install this package, but there is one more package is given, this one. Here we can see that number of packages are there. Okay, uh, so we need to select the best one. Okay, so here I'm going to check. Yeah, this one. So this one is perfect. This command we are going to give composer required dom pdf slash dom pdf. So I'm going to run this one for my project. So remember, this is the command that you are required to run for the PDF. Okay, for generating the PDF for your Laravel project. So I'm going to my folder to docs, and this is my project 10 services new terminal folder. I'm going to install this one, composer required dom pdf. Going to install the package for my project. Okay, so it will take a few seconds. So once the package gets installed, see it gets installed, it will just take the few seconds. Yes, using version 2 for DOM PDF, so it has been installed. So we can just copy from here. This is the code, but before that we are going to include its class at the top. Okay, we are going to include its class at the top. You can include here. Okay, use DOM PDF. Here it is. And after that I'm going to copy this one to generate the sample PDF. Okay, first of all we're going to see whether the sample PDF will work or not. If it will work, then we are going to generate its invoice as well. We will work on its invoice. So here I will simply check that whether it will work. I'm going to refresh, and also uh, we require to add here the PDF icon. Okay, so here I'm going to see I think FA file PDF, that icon must work. Okay, I'm going to check, and also we are going to give some spacing, like I'm going to give here style width uh, some 10% width I can give here. Okay, so here you can see the PDF icon has come up here. Okay, so I'm going to click on this icon. I will reduce the space here, little bit reduce, only that much space is required. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to click on this one, and here you can see the dummy PDF has been created. I'm going to open this one. Yes, hello world is coming here, so we are able to generate the PDF, and now we are going to add the complete HTML in this PDF, so that the complete invoice HTML comes up. Okay, but we will not create the HTML like we have created this one, because it will not work. We are going to search for the PDF HTML from the net. Okay, so here I am going to search something I'm going to search here PDF invoice HTML format. Okay, and let's see. um, I'm going to open this one, HTML uh, HTML HTMLDFP.com. So this is the website. I'm going to download its package from here. Okay, you can download any of the package. So uh, let's unzip this one. Okay, so I'm going to unzip, and now I'm going to use its style as well as its index.html. So let's see if we can able to use this one. Okay, so I'm going to open its one. Let's see that how it looks. So yeah, we are going to create such kind of invoice for our PDF invoice. Okay, so we will give the option to the client whether the client can able to generate the PDF from the HTML invoice as well, like command. He can simply make here the command P, and then he can also save the PDF from here. Here is the option as well, save as PDF. So one is this option for generating the PDF for this order invoice, and the another one is the new PDF invoice, like this one. Okay, and that we are going to create. So here is the HTML for the PDF, and that complete HTML we are going to copy this HTML, and we'll first of all put there. I'm going to take one variable here, dollar output or dollar invoice, anything you can take. I'm going to take dollar output here, and inside single code I am going to paste its complete HTML here. Okay, so see here we are required to make some changes, like this not come, and everything else seems to be fine. So now I am going to see that whether it will work or not, but before that we also required to add the style. Okay, style is coming here, so complete style I'm going to copy this one, and will add here. uh, After link I can add here this style as well. Okay, so here I'm going to add the style. Let's see, style I will take simply like style. I will add complete style, and after that I am going to close this type. Okay, so this one will not work, this link will not work, we are going to remove this one. So here I'm going to add the order invoice, and let's see that it will generate. First of all, we are going to check whether it will generate this one or not. Let's see, let's open. I think this one is not correct. So it will take few seconds. Let's see. Still the hello world is opening. I need to check. Okay, so yeah, got the issue. This is the variable that we are required to use here, but we are still using that hello world here. So I'm going to remove this one and will add the output here. So let's see. Now this time there must be correct invoice must get generated. I'm going to refresh it once and will now going to generate. Let's see. Now this time document2.pdf is coming, and yes, this time we able to generate the correct invoice. Okay, so now I'm going to modify this one. Okay, this invoice I'm going to modify, and in this nothing is required here. I'm going to update. So let's update this order invoice so that it will look good. So like we have updated earlier, so I can open that invoice as well, so we can simply pick from there and can update from this HTML invoice. Okay, and like here after body after style, here you can see company name. Here you can see order invoice. I'm going to copy and will paste. Instead of logo, we are going to add here the order invoice. So okay, so we can remove this logo and we can simply add the order invoice here like this. Okay, and after that the company name and details, and here we can add, like you can add your company name. Okay, and you can add the company address here, like we have added in the HTML invoice. We can add the company address here. Okay, so phone number and everything, email we can also add. Phone number will come up here. Okay, so you can add phone number like this, and here see this one you can show whatever you want. Okay, so simply show it like this, and mail to the company email will come up. Just required to do it like this, and after that here we are going to mention the project this project details, like order number. Okay, so order number like this one. uh, so here we are required to add it like this. Here we are going to show it like this. Okay, like this. So like this we are going to show all the details like we are showing here, like order number. After that the date, order date. uh, See date we can show here, and see we can remove the unwanted things. Also we are going to show the user details as well. Let's see first of all. Okay, so this one is the order date. After that delivery and billing address. Okay, so after that the product details. So what we can do, we can here see client is not required, but here what we can do, here we can add billing address like this. After that we can add the, this one is not required even, date is required though, date we can add here. And after that billing address, and billing address after that delivery address like this. Okay, this one we can show in caps as well. Okay, this one is not required. And here we are going to show the project date. After that the billing address, we are going to show the billing address that will come in order details, then user, going to pick so we're going to add it like this. First name, then address, then city, state, country, and finally pin code. And I'm going to copy this one and we'll paste here as well, but user will not come here. Okay, so now we are going to create the for each loop for showing the order product details. So what we can do, we are first of all going to close this one. Okay, yeah, we are required to add the for each loop from here. So here we are going to end it like this, and I'm going to add here the for each loop first of all, for each loop like we have added here as well. This is the for each loop. So what I'm going to do here, like total price, I'm going to copy this one. Okay, these three things I can copy, yeah, and we'll paste it here, and then we're required to make changes here, like this one is not required. Here we can do it like this, and after that for each loop. Okay, so after that once again we're going to mention it like this, total price, this one, and then semicolon once again. And here we are going to start that dollar output dot equal to like this. Okay, so now we are going to add here, first of all we are going to update this one. Okay, here we are going to mention our columns like product code, product site, yeah, or only site. Okay, so like this, color, quantity, we can do it like this, unit price, and total. Okay, so here we are going to mention first one is we're going to description for this one, and then okay, so for description we are going to pick that will come in dollar. I'm going to here add the dollar product. Oh, okay, so actually we can copy from there, so that's why. Yeah, here we can see the dollar order product name. We can pick this one and we'll show here like this. Okay, so after this we are going to show uh, here first one product name code, or simply product, simply add product. Okay, so here we can mention the product name as well as the code. Both the things we can mention, like product code like this and product name in brackets. After that we are going to mention the product size. First I'm going to do it like this. So after that product size, so after product size we're going to add product color. After product color we're going to add product quantity. After product quantity we're going to add here see product quantity unit price, that is the product price. So after this we are going to add the total price. Okay, so total price we are going to calculate like product price into product quantity, this one, like this. Okay, so here also we are going to add here INR or rupee symbol, or whatever the currency your website is in. Okay, so like this we are going to do. Okay, so so we are going to remove all other tiers now up till here. So here we are going to close this one like this. Okay, so once again we are going to start the output, this output from here, and here we are going to show like the subtotal. Okay, subtotal that will come in total price, this one. So we are going to add it here, INR, and here we are going to add, sorry. Okay, so after this we are going to add the shipping, that is right now there is the zero shipping. Okay, no shipping right now, but later on we are going to add the shipping charges module as well. Then we will add here the shipping charges. And after this one more thing, we are going to add the coupon discount here. Here we will simply mention here discount. And once again before showing this one here, we are going to add like, I'm going to close this one from here. Then that condition we can copy from here. This one I'm going to copy this one here like this. Okay, if odd coupon amount is greater than 0, here we are going to edit like this. Okay, so here once again I'm going to start this one, and here INR, and then the coupon amount. Okay, and yeah, here else we're going to add the else here. Else we're going to show here 0. And this one all we're going to remove, and here once again we are going to add the output, and finally we are going to add the grand total. Okay, so once again I'm going to copy this one, or I'm going to copy this one. Okay, this one is better. Okay, so our invoice is finally ready. We are going to check the invoice that whether it is working fine or not. Okay, so I'm going to refresh here and we'll export once again. But issue is coming. Let's see where is the issue is. Unclose online. So I think some bracket is left for each. Okay, so this for each must end here, but we are not doing this. Okay, so now I think now we're going to check once again. Yes, now it is working. I'm going to generate undefined variable grand total. Okay, so here we are going to see why it is showing it like this. Grand total, yeah, fine, grand total is a part of the order details, not the order. Okay, so see, now this time it has been generated, and let's see. Yes, order invoice has been generated, but there is some issue you can see. But order number, date, billing address, delivery address, side makers, these company details, and see the billing and delivery details are also coming here, and products, order products are also coming correctly. But here this one is the issue, that here we need to increase this one by I'm going to update this one, call span 6. Okay, now there are more columns, so that's why we're going to add it as call span 6. And so let's see, I'm going to refresh, and I'm going to close this one, and we'll try to generate the order invoice once again. Let's see. Yes, this time with no issue it generates, and yes, and still it is having some issue. I think call span 5 will work instead of, as there are 1 2 3 4 5. Let's see with the 5 first of all. Yeah, 5 will work because one column is already there, so call span 5 will work. Okay, let's see with 5. Let's generate once again, refresh, close this one, refresh once again, and let's generate. Let's open, and this time it's perfect. Okay, you can see this time our table is perfect. We able to see these two products in the order. Okay, and you can see its subtotal is 1760 and its grand total is 1760 as well. So everything seems to be fine here, and we can also add INR in front of shipping charges as well as the discount. We can simply add it as well, INR 0, and here as well we can add it like this. Okay, so this one here it is not required, I think. Yeah, TD class total, this one we have copied from there, I think, maybe. This TD class total, I think we may have copied from here. I got the issue, so this is the issue. This one is required here, and this one we will use here, and this one once again we are going to I'm going to copy and will paste here, and this TD needs to end here, and one INR I'm going to remove. Let's see it's fine or not. It seems to be fine though, but we need to check once. I'm going to generate the PDF once again, though it is fine, but it seems to be some mistake. Yes, it's fine. Shipping charges INR 0, discount INR 0. Now it seems to be fine. Okay, so you can generate such kind of PDF order invoice as well at your end. So stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.